What up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to JesusDrawz. In today's video, I decided to do another doodling episode. This is number 6. I think it's been more than 5 months since I've done the last one. But anyways, these doodling episodes are just quick time-lapse videos of me doing random doodles, collage, random stuff. And just showing the whole entire process in a very crunched up short amount of time. I would say this doodle took about maybe 4 hours to complete and got it down to 7 minutes. So that's this video. And the process is usually just mechanical pencil first, micron pen next, and then I color at the end. But instead of me talking the whole time, I'm gonna just let some music play, and as the process goes along, I'll jump in and say a couple things and let the music play again. But till then, enjoy. Alright, then jumping into the line work, the inking. I used a Micron 03 Pigma pen and just went through the whole doodle. And then the next portion, as you'll see as we jump further along, I use an 08 Micron Pigma pen and go around the outsides of each doodle just to give the line work a little more expression, a little more interesting. If it's all just one thickness, I feel like it's kind of flat, so personally I just like to do that. Just a little tip that throwing out there. And other artists do that. That's pretty much how I got it, seeing other artists line work and whatnot. Last time for the coloring portion. Now with this part, I actually got some Staedler watercolor brush pens from Michael's. They were on sale. They looked awesome. I was like, damn, these are kind of cheaper than usual. So copped them, and that's actually what I used in this video. And decided to go with only warm colors. As you'll see, as this unravels, I actually really like how this turned out. This came out super dope. But let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this doodle overall, what you guys think of the colors. And you know when doodling episode number 7, whenever that is gonna be cool colors. But for now, we're staying with the warm. We're gonna stay warm. And yeah, keep creating, y'all. I think I'm gonna wrap that up for me talking. There's gonna be a couple zoom ups at the end once it's done. And you'll see the process of this being colored. Let me know what doodle you like the best in the comment section below. Any future video ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more art. Don't forget to share with the artistic homies, people who are into this kind of stuff. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell if you want to be notified right away when I post something. But anyway, that's gonna be it. Let me know any thoughts in the comments. Till next time, y'all, take it easy, keep it trill, stay safe. I'm out. Peace.